Today I'm going to show you how to crochet an ear warmer headband bandana for beginners. If you've never crocheted before, this is a perfect first project. I'll walk you through every single step. If your stitches look messy, that's completely normal, and I'll show you how to fix the most common beginner mistakes. Let's start with what you need. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook and medium 4 acrylic yarn. If you're brand new, choose a light-colored yarn. It makes learning much easier. You'll also need scissors and a yarn needle. That's it. For the foundation chain, we'll start with a slip knot. If this feels awkward, that's normal. Everyone struggles here at first. One more time I will show you how to make the slip knot. Just make a loop and pull the yarn through the loop. Now insert the crochet hook and we will make chain stitch. Slightly tighten the yarn, but not too tight. Keep it relaxed. If you are struggling with holding the yarn as a beginner, just follow me how to hold the yarn. Now we will make chain stitch. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop. That's it. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Total 23 chain stitches for the foundation chain. For row 1, we will do single crochet stitch. 3 single crochet in next 3 stitches. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull the yarn through the stitch, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is how to do a single crochet stitch. Two. Three. Now we will do half double crochet, which is beginner friendly and stretchy. And at the last 3 stitches, we will do 3 single crochet. Yarn over. Insert the hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the stitch. Now 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through all the 3 loops. This is how to do a half double crochet stitch. Now we will do 3 single crochet at the last 3 stitches. For row 2, chain 1 and turn your work. Three single crochet in first 3 stitches. Now 16 half double crochet in the back loop for the next 16 stitches. First, I will show you a normal half double crochet inserting the crochet hook into the both loops. We have to do half double crochet in the back loop only. That's it. Do you also face this? Three single crochet in last 3 stitches. From here we will just repeat the row 2. For your convenience, you can find the link for the free written pattern in the description box. Chain 1, turn your work, and repeat the row 2 across. We'll keep going until the band fits comfortably around your head. Not tight, not loose. You will get this kind of a rectangle. Wrap it around your head to check your proper size. Crochet stretches, so if it feels slightly snug, that's perfect. This headband is around 48 centimeters circumference and 14 centimeters in height. I did crochet total 55 rows. Now we're going to join the ends. This part looks scary, but it's actually the easiest step. Insert your crochet hook into the loops of both the edges. Pull through the yarn and make a slip stitch. And repeat. Chain 1. Cut the yarn and weave in your ends, no knots needed. You just made a crochet ear warmer headband. Seriously, great job. Tell me in the comments, is this your very first crochet project, or have you crocheted before? Next, I'll link an easy beginner beanie you can try after this in the description box. Cut the yarn and weave in your ends, no knots needed.